Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create an account backup for your account on Wrike in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do in the first step, guys, is navigate to wrike.com and log into your account, and in the next step click into your profile icon in the top left. After that, click into settings. So inside your account settings, take a look at that panel to the left and navigate to settings here. Here you will need to scroll all the way down till you get to the full account backup. And from here, guys, what you want to do is choose either a full backup or a quick account backup. So which one you go with is totally up to you. You can, for example, download your account backup with all relevant account data, for example, in JSON format. So to do that, click into this button. And after that, you will receive an email notification to the associated email address with the download link for the backup, so that you may then, as you can see, download it, for example, usually it's in a zip folder or zip archive folder. So you'll need to open it on your device and save it onto your device. It works actually the same way with the full account backup. And the difference is that with a full account backup, you download and export not only backup files, but also task attachments if you need these, for example, like, I don't know, Word documents, lists, charts, and so on and so forth. And that's it. So that's how it works. You can initiate the backup, the full backup here, and your account ID may be necessary for the backup request, so you can copy it here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.